All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel through the Kaspa community. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love. Continue supporting, and you will see a continuation of these Kaspa updates. As of recording this update, we are seeing still the broader market, some coins up quite a bit, and at the same time, there's some coins that are still down right now over the course of the last few days. But you're noticing a little bit of a trend. And that trend, of course, I did mention in some of my other updates, not in the Kaspa updates, but I mentioned in one of my meme coin updates. You're noticing a meme coin rally really occurring. Meme coins are gaining a lot of traction. You guys can see Pepe, Mog, Floki, Peanut, Bonk, Popcat, Act, Whiff. You guys get the idea. Meme coins are gaining a lot of momentum right now, and that just speaks for itself. But yeah, if you're looking at Kaspa, it's yet again down 8.5%, and I know the frustration within the Kaspa community, and what can we do, right? We need to really think about it from a realistic standpoint. What can we do? The reality is right in front of us, and you could just hope for the best. But right now, it's definitely showing us weakness for its price once again. But there's one factor that we need to consider, which of course I'm going to be talking about. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So the price of Kaspa is currently sitting at 12.53 cents, down 10% in USD and Bitcoin comparative. So what we're starting to notice once again for Kaspa is that the price is continuing to fall down. So this is causing obviously a lot of frustration. People in the Kaspa community are not happy. People in the Kaspa community are fed up. And I'm even starting to see the comments, where people are like, they're going to just completely exit their positions when Kaspa reaches some of these prices that these guys are hoping for. And everyone has their own right to make their decisions. And I know some people don't like, especially the Moon Boys, they don't like when people say their opinion. At the end of the day, everyone's opinion needs to be respected. And that's what I've said from the beginning. And I continue to express that as we do go into the future. But looking at the price, 12.5 cents, market cap at about 3.16 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at $142 million. But yeah, if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, we need to really understand this right now. Dominance has picked up really, really fast, and we're sitting at the likes of a yearly high. And as we're recording this update, we have seen a little bit of a retracement within the dominance, but still on the verge of breaking towards another yearly high. What does this mean? This means that, if Bitcoin, so when dominance goes up and Bitcoin sees a little bit of a minor pullback, altcoins are going to be impacted, and they're going to be impacted in a negative way. And if you're looking over the last 24 hours, you are starting to see that really play out. And it's not just Kaspa. You're seeing a lot of other coins that were pumping over the course of the last few days are actually down right now. Bitcoin, on the other hand, I'm really going to bring out the hourly time frame, because we need to focus more on the shorter time scales to really understand what's going on. As far as Bitcoin price is concerned, let me just tell you, Bitcoin is still in an upward trend. What I mean by that is higher high, higher lows on the hourly time frame. So still in this upwards trajectory. We did hit a new all-time high at $93,126 Wednesday morning. Saw a little bit of a pullback, and where we are currently being supported by right now is the previous all-time high for Bitcoin, which of course was at the beginning of the year, and that's exactly literally at that neckline is where we're being my apologies, not the previous all-time high, the previous all-time high from just yesterday. You can see this for yourself. November 12th, double top. We spoke about this in our last update. That's the exact same level we're being supported by right now. So as far as Bitcoin price is concerned, it's still looking really strong. Obviously, it's going to be really important to see how Bitcoin reacts tomorrow, and of course, most importantly, Friday, how Bitcoin closes. But we're on the verge of heading towards a six-figure Bitcoin, which is going to be historic. I mentioned this in some of my other updates. I think this is going to leave a lot of people speechless, not even in the financial industry, even outside the financial industry. We're going to be seeing a lot of eyes on Bitcoin and the crypto space once that happens. Now, if you're looking at the price of Kaspa, once again, significant amount of lag. And that is big reason for that is also the dominance, which a lot of people don't understand. Dominance is a huge factor. What I want you guys to understand is from November 9th, we did see the dominance go up about 4.3%, and that's not a small move. That's a big move for the dominance itself. So if you kind of factor in what's happening with Kaspa, it kind of makes sense as to what we're looking at. But most important thing that I want you guys to understand now is the fact that we're below that key support line once again at that 13.5 cents. Hate to say it, that's where you want to see the price of Kaspa sitting at, and of course we're below it right now. If we're below that, I am bearish, and I know the speaking about being bearish in times like these is quite shocker, but it's just a reality, guys, because now you're starting to see a lot of coins still being listed on some of these big centralized exchanges, but you're still missing Kaspa, and it's not making up. I don't understand the logistics behind this. What is the decision factor? Why the Kaspa project is not listed on these big centralized exchange? I guess why Binance? Maybe Binance is too big, and kind of let that slide for a second. But what about the other tier one exchanges? It doesn't make sense, and it's causing a lot of frustration. And I understand the frustration, but we're back below the key resistance, and you really want to see the price of Kaspa remaining above there. If not, guys, honestly, we could start heading back towards where we were just a few weeks ago. I want you guys to really understand Kaspa on an hourly, from an hourly perspective. You are seeing after pumping up, let's actually take a look at it from here. After pumping up the likes of 51%, it has dropped about, you could say, 23%. But again, we need to consider the Bitcoin Dominance Index and its performance, how it's just absolutely sending. Those are some factors we cannot be ignoring. But yeah, we'll keep you guys covered. Let me know down below what you guys think. The best thing for Kaspa to do is to remain above this key resistance. Cannot stress this enough. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Let me know down below what you guys think. Pay very close attention to Bitcoin. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.